Hello to my crypto investors. Hey, you've ridden the highs, you've seen the dips, but what if your next wealth move is about stability, not speculation? In this video, I'm going to show you why now might be the smartest time to harvest those gains and how real estate, yes, real estate, could be your most strategic next play. Because a wise man once told me, it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. You probably already know you're in the top 1% of investors. But what comes after the big wins you've had in crypto? Hopefully you've been thinking about some diversification, real assets, cash flow, or simply not losing your edge in the market. If the answer to that is yes, you're in the right place. Let me introduce you to something powerful, tokenized real estate. The best part, it's digital. It's backed by real world assets, and it's the bridge between the crypto digital asset world and the wealth building power of real estate. Look, crypto has created massive wealth, but let's be real, it's also really unpredictable. There's black swan events, some bad tweets maybe, and certainly regulatory shifts. Your net worth can swing wildly overnight. And when the market's up, the smartest investors I know don't just hodl, they harvest. They diversify those wins in assets that can cash flow for them, that consistently appreciate, that are a great inflation hedge, and preserve their wealth. Real estate is the wealth foundation of 90% of millionaires. Why? Because it has monthly passive income, great tax advantages like depreciation, tangible collateral, it's an inflation hedge, and it builds legacy wealth for long-term wealth preservation. But traditional real estate has always had three major issues. One, it's illiquid, so illiquidity. There's also been really high capital requirements, and the investment process has been really complex to be able to access. That's where tokenization comes in. At REtokens, we bridge that gap. You can now invest in real world assets, real world real estate, the way you're used to investing in crypto, digitally, securely, fractionally, and coming summer 2025, the ability to buy, sell, or trade on a secondary marketplace. Here's how it works. You invest in the real estate tokens, which are digital shares backed by real properties. These tokens live on the blockchain, but unlike many NFTs or speculative coins, they're linked to the tangible real estate. Multifamily apartments, storage facilities, retail centers, you name it. If you've made it in crypto, you understand timing and trends. The next trend isn't just more DeFi, it's bringing the real world assets into the digital economy. Tokenized real estate is that next evolution. It's your chance to lock in a bunch of your wins, diversify smartly, and start earning that real world cash flow. Imagine earning income from a rental property you don't even have to manage. Imagine accessing that capital if you ever want it out without waiting years for a buyer or a sponsor of a deal to make a decision. Imagine doing it all from your phone. So if you want to check out tokenized real estate investment opportunities, here's what you can do. You can head to retokens.com, or we put a link for you in the description below. Create your free investor profile. It only takes about 2 minutes. And then you'll get access to exclusive, vetted real estate offerings built for accredited investors like you. You've already conquered the crypto world. Now it's time to own a piece of real estate as a digital asset. From volatility to stability, your next move starts now. So until next time, to freedom through cash flow. Oh, and if you're interested in how to analyze tokenized real estate deals, check this video out right here.